What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will be learning about how to connect the Google Slides or how to use the Claude with the Google Slide. So it's going to be a very easy and simple thing to do, so make sure you guys follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first thing that we need to do is to connect the Google Drive with the Claude. In order to do that, just go to the plus icon and go to the connectors. Here you will see that there is a tool access option, and on the top of it there is an add connect option. So just go to the add connectors, go to the browse connectors option, and you will be redirected to this page. Over here you will see the Google Drive is one of the most popular connector at the moment. So just go ahead and click on this. So as if you know that the Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and PDFs, uploading a file or downloading it all comes under this drive option. Here you will see multiple color, green for the the Google Sheets, the docs for the yellow for the docs, and blue for the slides. So these are all the files and combination that comes inside the drive, and make sure you just connect it and then ask the Claude to work on any of the slides that you want to work on. For example, just ask the Claude, hey Claude, use my drive and let me know if I have any slides in it. So it will just go ahead and search all the slides that could be inside of my Google Drive and then let me know about it. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait a few seconds till it finishes up its research, and then it will tell me all the slides that are available in it. So if you want to edit it, open it and read it, analyze it or summarize it, I can simply give one single prompt and it will work according to it. So where you see that there are multiple slides that I have in my Google Drive. If I have to go ahead and just have to find out in my 1 TB of the storage, it would take me days or maybe hours to just go ahead and complete the research about a single file and where it is located. But using the Claude, you can do it in a minute. So it's totally up to you if you want to go ahead and do the deep research, analyze, summarize it. It's totally up to you, but this is how you guys can use it as a whole. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.